Hey, it's Witt. Welcome to the channel. Today, another unboxing for you, this time from Watch Gang. This is my black tier membership, which I get once every quarter. So every 3 months, $100, surprise watch arrives. All right, looks like we have a seller. Not quite sure how to pronounce that. I think I've heard of this. I think it's a French brand that used to make watches years ago. Is making a rebirth. Oh, nice. It's like a storybook box. That's decent. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's different, huh? And we've got an outdoor theme here, so let's see what's on the inside. Oh, all right. Warranty card. We've got the watch and a, looks like a NATO strap. All right, let's get inside. Okay, first look. Let's get the plastic off so we can see more. You ready? Ooh. Okay, so looks like a quartz diver, 200 meters. This has got a brown textured dial. I got to say, my first reaction is this is not my first choice, but it's a beautiful watch. Oh, I love this case. Look at that. That slim stainless steel case. Nice coin edge bezel. And bracelet looks pretty decent. Little 5-link. Very nice. Let's see if I can get you that textured dial a little better. There you go. Little sand, a little brown sand texture. Very cool. Okay, and nice bezel. Oh yeah, so 120 click unidirectional. And looks like maybe a touch of alignment issue. Not terrible, but let me see the 30. It's not quite lined up. And 25. Make sure I've got it at the right spot. Yeah, that was it, because now this is off. And that's a little left of center. But the 30 looks better now. So do these. So if you get one in alignment, then the others fall off. So let's see, these look good too. Okay, so may or may not be some issues on the bezel, but it's got nice action. Good click sound. Super grippy. That coin edge bezel is really nice. Very easy to grip. Man, I love that case. Look how thin that is. That polished case. Nice lugs that drop off. Okay, and so we've got screw down crown. An unsigned. High polish. And there's no date complication. A lot of people like that. So first click is right to the time. And obviously hacking. It's quartz movement, so you would expect that. Let's see how it screws back. Whoop, was that me? I think that was me. Okay, screws back in easily, and it's not fighting the threads. A little bit of a miss on the gaps there, you see? Looks like there's more of a gap here than there. So, little finishing detail. Let's see more about this case. Now I'm going to keep the wrap on the bracelet, and because I think this is not really my style, I'm going to try the Watch Gang trade, the Facebook group, to see if I can trade somebody for this. Maybe they'll like it a little more than I do, and I can get something else for it, which will in turn be another watch to show you on the channel, right? Okay, so to the bracelet, you've got signature on the clasp. No push buttons, just the safety latch. And you've got 4 micro adjusts. And stamped. Okay, on the case back, we've got the name brand Silor. And then Swiss movement. I'll put in the description down below once I find out what movement that is. Then down below here, 200-meter water resistant and stainless steel. But that's a nice case back. And solid end links. And it looks like they drop down quickly, so you have that nice, it's female end link, so you've got a nice drop down for that first male part of the main link. You can see that's got a nice drop. All right, let's measure up. So the case is 42, lug to lug is 49, thickness is 11 millimeters, got 20 millimeter straps, and let's see if it tapers down. Looks like it does slightly. Tapers down to 18, so 2 millimeter taper. All right, loom shot looks pretty decent. That's a nice design. You got the smaller indices here, and then you've got at the 3, 6, and 9, you've got a longer, larger strip. And the second hand is not loomed, but the hour and minute are. And it looks to be that the pip on the bezel is not loomed either. Fading pretty quick here. Okay, and here's the hang tag. So it's got a SKU and a MSRP of $240. All right, let's try it on. Today wearing the last Watch Gang surprise I got 3 months ago, which is the Nautis Stealth 200. I always like to kind of show you the previous watch so you get an idea of what I've had in. Like I said, might not be able to show you this one next time around. We'll see if it stays in my collection or not. Thinking it may not. And here it is on my 8-inch wrist. Woo, look at that. Plenty. And again, it's got those 4 micro adjusts as well. So looks like there's a lot of room. It's comfortable. That feels nice. I mean, obviously it's got the plastic on there, but that's, I really like this bracelet. It's got a good look to it, huh? That's Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for February 2021. And like I said, I get these every 3 months. I'm on the once a quarter plan for $99.99. I'm Witt, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.